Hello friends. Waving hand. Welcome back to my channel. Smiling face with smiling eyes. If you want to improve your English, learn new ideas, and explore interesting topics in a simple and fun way, then you're in the right place. Today's topic is very interesting and useful, so watch this video till the end and don't miss any important points. Now, let's get started. Rocket. Good morning, my friend. Today is a new opportunity. Yesterday is already gone. Don't think about past failures. Focus on today. Every successful person started small. You can start small too. Believe in yourself. Confidence changes everything. Your dreams are important. Never stop dreaming. Success takes time. Be patient. Work hard every day. Learn something new. Improve yourself daily. Small progress is still progress. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. Be stronger than before. Be smarter than before. Be more disciplined. Your future is in your hands. Start now. Your success journey begins today. Life is not always easy. Challenges will come. Problems are normal. Everyone faces difficulties. Successful people face them too. Don't run away from problems. Face them bravely. Every challenge teaches a lesson. Every lesson makes you stronger. Stay positive. Stay focused. Stay determined. Never lose hope. Keep moving forward. One step at a time. Believe in your ability. You are stronger than you think. Your mindset matters. Think positively. Act confidently. Success loves persistence. Hard work beats excuses. Keep fighting. Keep growing. Keep believing. Confidence is powerful. Confidence attracts success. Believe in your skills. Believe in your talent. Believe in your future. Stop doubting yourself. Stop negative thinking. Replace fear with action. Replace excuses with effort. Speak with confidence. Walk with confidence. Think with confidence. Learn from mistakes. Mistakes are teachers. Failure is experience. Failure is experience. Experience brings wisdom. Wisdom brings success. Keep learning. Keep improving. Never stop growing. Your potential is unlimited. You can achieve great things. Trust yourself. Success starts with self-belief. Consistency is the key. Success is not magic. Success is daily effort. Show up every day. Work on your goals. Stay committed. Stay disciplined. Avoid distractions. Use your time wisely. Build good habits. Good habits create success. Keep learning daily. Keep practicing daily. Improvement takes time. Don't quit early. Trust the process. Stay patient. Stay focused. Great things take time. Keep moving forward. Progress is progress. Never give up. Stay consistent. Stay hungry for success. Your hard work will pay off. Your dreams are possible. Believe in your journey. Success is waiting for you. Keep working hard. Keep learning. Keep growing. Stay positive. Stay focused. Stay disciplined. Never fear failure. Never fear challenges. Face life with courage. Face life with confidence. Every day is a chance. Every effort matters. Every step counts. Keep moving forward. Keep chasing your dreams. Your future is bright. Your potential is amazing. You can do it. You will succeed. Never give up. Your success story starts now.